Magandang araw mga kababayan. This is John from Camayacos, Bataan, Philippines. I just want to take a moment to send a message of support and encouragement to our fellow Filipinos in Israel and across the Middle East during these difficult times. Shalom. Assalamualaikum. Peace be with you. Mga kababayan natin in Israel and across the Middle East, today, from the quiet shores of Camayacos, me, or all of us, are always thinking about you. While many of us here are safe with our families, we know that many Filipinos abroad are facing days filled with uncertainty and worry. And kahit malayo kayo sa Pilipinas, gusto naming ipaalam sa inyo na hindi namin kayo nakakalimutan. From here in Camayacos, Bataan, we are lifting all of you in our prayers. We pray for your safety, protection over your homes and workplaces. The Filipino spirit is known all over the world. Matatag, may pananampalataya at laging nagmamalasakit sa kapwa Pilipino. Kahit saan tayo dalhin ng buhay, dala natin ang tapang, pag-asa at malasakit sa isa't isa bilang kababayan. So please, take care of yourselves. Look after one another. Support fellow Filipinos. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and keep your faith. And always remember this: we'll always have a home here in the Philippines. Here in Camayacos, we will always welcome you with open arms. One day, when this difficult season passes, maybe we can sit together here by the sea, share a cup of coffee, and talk about how faith carried us through. Until that day comes, know that the people here in Camayacos are praying for you. Mga kababayan, tandaan niyo ito. No matter where life brings us in the world, iisa pa rin ang ating puso bilang Pilipino. And here in Camayacos, the coffee will always be warm, the sea will always be waiting, and you will always have a place to come home to. Stay safe, keep the faith, and peace be with you all. God bless you all.